The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a compact and discreet dashcam that is designed to capture high-quality video footage of your driving experiences. Here is a detailed review of this dashcam, including its features, performance, and overall value. Features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a number of impressive features, including 1080p Full HD video. The dash cam records video in 1080p Full HD, which means that the footage is clear and detailed, even in low light conditions. Wide-angle lens. The dash cam features a wide-angle lens that provides a 140-degree field of view, so you can capture more of the road ahead. Built-in Wi-Fi. The dash cam has built-in Wi-Fi, which means that you can connect to it using your smartphone or tablet and view footage, share videos, and even edit and upload footage directly from the device. Parking mode. The dash cam has a parking mode that activates when the car is parked, allowing it to record any motion or impact that occurs. Voice control. The dashcam can be controlled using voice commands, making it easy to use while driving. Performance. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 performs exceptionally well, with high-quality video footage that is clear and detailed. The wide-angle lens provides a great view of the road ahead, and the footage is smooth and stable, even on bumpy roads. The parking mode is also a great feature, as it allows the dashcam to continue recording even when the car is parked, providing added security and peace of mind. The voice control feature is easy to use and works well, allowing you to operate the dashcam without taking your hands off the wheel. Overall value. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an excellent value for its price. It is packed with features that you would expect to find in a much more expensive dashcam, and it performs exceptionally well in a range of driving conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi is a particularly useful feature, as it allows you to view and share footage easily and quickly. Additionally, the parking mode and voice control features provide added convenience and security, making this dash cam an excellent choice for any driver. Conclusion. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an excellent dash cam that offers exceptional performance, a range of useful features, and great value for its price. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality dash cam that won't break the bank, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description below to find the latest price and deals on the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2.